Last year BRC again changes its pattern. Result is that you can see here cutoff drop from 168 to 141. So this year how we can prepare for BRC exam 2022 we will discuss in this video. Welcome to preparation strategy video for BRC OCS 2022. Okay. So now very important video for BRC. This time we will totally change our approach of preparation of doing everything. Okay, because see this time they can do anything but you should prepare for that, right? Our ultimate aim to crack the exam, and then in interview we will perform very well from our side definitely, and we will maximize our chances of selection. That is the aim. And this time my only target is to give maximum selection in BRC exam, not like last time 1 or 2. Okay, this time I want whatever vacancies are there for EC, whether it is 10, 20, all the vacancies should be filled by apna government job only. Okay, so with this we start our video. So before that, for BRC interview is very important, right? You know already. And to reach to the interview, exam is very important. Okay, so first job is to crack the exam, then definitely our next job is interview. So this time the BRC mentorship program is there for you guys. In this I will cover both, that is your online exam plus interview. What are the things I am going to do, what I will do, what you should do, most important. Okay, all those things we will discuss later after our overall preparation strategy video. Okay, so let's start with our main video first. So as always, cutoff. What was the last year cutoff? So it was 141.5. Okay, point neglect just, but 141. That is approximately you can say 47 to 48 questions. Okay, each year I told everyone that this year you should attempt this. Definitely you will get 221. Also I told that if you attempt this much question, then you will get. And the same thing happened after. I hope you watch my after exam review. Okay, it was in Hindi, but still I'm hoping you already watched that. In that I told 40 questions anyone can do, and those students who will attempt next 15 to 20 questions correctly, they will definitely get selection, and that the same thing happened. Okay, so last time if you perform, or I can say if you just correct 47 to 48 questions out of 100 questions, see out of 100, most important thing to observe here, right? Then only you can crack exam. No need to worry, because there is no tension of merit list and nothing. Just we need to crack the exam. That's it. Okay, our job is done. So how to identify these questions? That is the big challenge, and this is actually skill for BRC exam. It is required. Okay, then only you can apply it in your exam hall, and then you can crack this exam in very good manner. Okay, so definitely how you can do this I will tell you in our mentorship program. So no need to worry. Those who are applying through gate, so last time I guess 740 to 760 was the cutoff. Okay, you can say in this range only. So you will get some idea about gate cutoff. Okay, two books are compulsory for 2022. This is 2022, not 20, not 21. Okay, what are two books we will use? First, gate 1 mark question. Sorry, get previous year book, that I will tell you later in our subject wise drill down. Then ISRO pre-IQ. Okay, now which chapter or which subject you should focus for gate or ISRO, all we will discuss in our subject wise drill down. Okay, so just ready for that. I hope your pen and paper is ready. Whenever you are watching my previous strategy video, always keep one paper and pen with you. Okay, very important. Then whatever I am telling you, take proper notes in your pen and paper. And this video is strictly for BRC 2022. So lots of recruitment are there currently. Okay, and I know that to getting a job is very important. You are filling all the forms that I notified for on our channel. But I am speaking that if you want to join BRC seriously, then BRC should be your single point focus. Okay, you should not prepare for HL, or you should not prepare for NILET MITI, or you should not prepare for any other exam, because BRC is completely different exam, completely different training is required to crack the BRC. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, so I hope your single focus is to become scientific officer, that is group A position in central government this year. Okay, now exam pattern. So forget about 2020. Last time definitely they changed the pattern. Okay, 2020 was very easy, or not I will say very easy, but still cutoff was 162, and paper definitely 20% theory and your 80% numerical. But last time hardly you can say 6 to 7 question maximum are from theory part. Okay, and that also means out of this 6 7, 3 to 4 are directly copy pasted from your gate previous year paper. Okay, that's why in the strategy video I always told that to refer gate previous year questions for practice. Okay, and lots of questions are from numerical. Okay, now see, out of this 100, suppose 7 questions are theoretical. Definitely anyone can do. Okay, 7 out of 7 here you want. Definitely if you are performing here mistake, then definitely BRC is not for you. So what, whenever BRC gives you easy question, just grab that positive marking, that is 3 marks. Okay, so 21 marks easy, 21 marks easy. So now what you want, the next 26 marks if I consider last year scenario, right? But what happened in this 93 questions, that they frame very good question. Okay, good in terms of calculation, not in concept. Definitely conceptual question will be there. Okay, now this 93 question, mostly I can say 15 to 20 question no one can do in that exam hall. Why? Because of time limit. Obviously only 2 hours we get, that is 120 minutes. Okay, so it is not possible for anyone I am telling. Okay, those who are writing BRC exam all over India, they can't attempt these 15 to 20 questions. So just minus this 15 to 20 questions from 93. So 78 to something 80, right? 78 to 73 questions, suppose 73 to 78. So now your whole paper is from this. Okay, now here also lots of questions, again lengthy calculation they have, variety of concept was involved in that. Okay, variety of combination they give, like op-amp with MOSFET, op-amp with BJT. Okay, then lots of good question they frame, where your calculation skill is required compulsory. So overall, now if I summarize whole 2021 okay paper, then it's all about your calculation. Okay, so now it's time to move or shift from theoretical view to your calculation view. That's why I'm telling BRC is completely different exam as compared to all your government PSU and central government exams. Okay, so I hope that now you got that what you should do this year, at what parameter you should focus. Okay, if you want to crack the BRC, so your calculation, definitely how you can improve that, what are the there, what are the things are there for you to improve it, I will discuss later. Okay. Okay. Now we will start our subject-wise drill down. So I will go again each year as I go from high weightage to low weightage subjects. Okay. So first is very important subject and favorite subject of BRC is your analog electronics. So from analog electronics, what are the things are there? What you should do? From which source you practice? What topic? All the things we will discuss now. Okay, let's start our video. So GATE and ISRO. That these two books I told you to refer, right? See, first is very important thing, op-amp. Last time also 3 to 4 question were there. Definitely op-amp will be there always in your BRC. And I want that this 3 to 4 you should get all marks in full marks in here. Okay, because it is possible. That's why I'm telling. Okay, I am not talking here in air. It is possible to score more in op-amp. That's why I'm telling. So for op-amp, what you will do now? All the concept, all the applications of op-amp in your linear and your saturation mode, then you are inverting and non-inverting, everything which has included in your syllabus of for op-amp you will do. Okay. Now for op-amp, for practice, get 1 mark and 2 marks compulsory, and you will practice from ISRO also. Okay, very important. Next topic is your BJT analysis. Again, BJT analysis, very good topic. Last time also they framed the question, that is to find current, your collector current, and your DC analysis, small signal analysis. All the question they frame last time. Okay, to identify modes also they framed last time. So that's why BJT analysis always play major important role. You will practice BJT analysis question from 1 and 2 marks, and definitely from ISRO previous year book. Okay, ISRO last 10-year paper, nothing more than that. You get full 1980 something. Okay, 1988 I guess. So 1988 to 2022, also include 2022 paper, it is already over. Okay, and ISRO. Then the next is your MOSFET CMOS inverter analysis. Last time also they frame question from CMOS inverter. MOSFET always they frame question from MOSFET. Okay, their favorite one is small signal analysis to find GM and RT. Very important question for you. So MOSFET also you will practice along with that CMOS inverter analysis also you will do. Okay, it is easy, no need to worry here only. So for this, GATE 1 and 2 marks are enough. No need to touch ISRO. Okay, no need to touch ISRO. So whatever I am telling here, that for just solve op-amp circuits from ISRO, means from all the ISRO paper, whatever questions of op-amps are there, you will solve. Okay, like that. That is the meaning. Next, multi-vibrator oscillator 555 timer. So last time they didn't frame the question from this, but it is not, they will not frame in 2022. So for our safer side, just do this, okay? Just basic theory is required and get 1 and 2 marks, enough, no need to worry about that, okay? Next is diode. So all the applications of diode you will do. Basically your diode analysis, that is your clipper, clamper, rectifier, okay, that you will do. What are the waveforms, and from waveform they frame very good questions, okay? So just pay proper attention on the waveforms, I am telling you. Get 1 and 2 marks, and ISRO 1, ISRO also, ISRO previous year paper also, okay? So just make proper notes that from which source what you need to do, okay? Now for each analog electronics and for every subject I will discuss later. Whenever I am talking gate and ISRO, that topic, see now in 2022 my aim is to focus on topic, not on whole subjects, okay? Definitely pattern is changed now, and I want that we should also change our strategy to attempt BRC exam from 15 to 21, okay? Different 15 to 18 there was different strategy, then 18, 19, 20 there was different strategy, for 21 there was different strategy, and for 2022 there will be different strategy, okay? So that's why I'm telling you we will focus on each and every topic now, and we will try to score in that topic, okay, rather than we will try to cover whole subject. Analog electronics weightage for 2022 you can expect from 8 to 10 questions, okay? 8 to 10 questions you can expect. Next is your digital electronics, the most important second subject you can consider for your BRC exam, okay? So for digital circuits, what are the topics? Number system, combination circuits, sequential circuits, ADC, DAC, and microprocessor. See, number system, last time easy question they frame. So again here also you can score your 3 marks. See, positive marking is 3 marks and negative marking is 1 mark, okay? If you score more positive 3 marks, then definitely your score will get increased. So we will focus on this rather than this, okay? That's why I told you don't guess, random guess here, because negative 1 mark will also hamper your overall score, right? So number system, that question was base 5 conversion, okay? This time also they can ask you decimal to hex converter, like that. The probability is low that they will ask you to convert a binary to decimal, okay? But it depends on their mood, right? We will prepare from all the angles. Combination circuit, compulsory question from decoder, mux, and your encoder, okay? They will definitely frame the question from that, and you can attempt that question in your exam hall, so no need to worry about that. And other topics also, like your full adder, full subtractor, okay? Then your whatever topics are there left, which I later mentioned, all the things you will do from combination circuit, very important. Next is your sequential circuit, okay? Basics to advanced, that is what are the mod number, what is mod number, frequency of mod number, okay? How mod number changes the frequency. Then your asynchronous, synchronous counter. Then what are the types of counter, okay? All the counter types you will do. Then at what number of clock pulses, what count you will get, that question, up counter, down counter, okay? All those things you will do. ADC DAC, short question. They will ask you from ADC DAC. Okay, last time also one question was to calculate resolution, I guess. Okay, so resolution calculation, then analog to digital output, digital to analog output, that you will do, right? Next, here types of ADC, types of DAC, binary ladder, and your R2R compulsory, right? That you will do. Microprocessor theory just read for safety side, because if they frame easy question then you should able to attempt it, okay? Otherwise fully you will get questions from programming, and for programming you need to do all the instructions, right? So this is most important thing. Now what topic from what source? See, number system you will do from gate previous year, no need to worry, okay? If you solve from ISRO then it will be good, but as time is limited in our hand, then I will recommend you strictly to stick with this, okay? Combination circuit, gate plus ISRO, compulsory. Sequential circuit, gate plus ISRO, compulsory. Again, ADC DAC, gate plus ISRO, compulsory. Microprocessor programming, gate, no need to prepare or solve ISRO questions, okay? So this is the complete scenario of your data electronics. You can expect somewhere between 10 to 12 questions from your data electronics, right? So let's move to our third subject, which is your communication. So in communication, analog, digital, and random variable process, it seems very less syllabus. Definitely more syllabus we have for communication. So analog electronics always will have lots of weightage here, then digital, and then random variable and process, okay? See, now suppose they will, if they ask question from probability, then definitely they will not ask question from random process, okay? I am talking about random process, not random variables. probability plus RV are brother sister like. Okay, they will definitely ask question from this combination. So that's why you should do everything that is probability random variable. And if they didn't ask this question, so if you are unlucky in your shift, then definitely they will frame question from random process easy, no need to worry. Okay, because see, from this topic all the question you can do in your exam hall. Okay, whatever I am talking that you can do, you cannot do, I am talking in perspective of that exam hall, that 2 hours. Okay, not at home sitting for hours and hours. Definitely anyone can solve the questions, but in exam hall in that 2 hour the matter most, right? Okay, so let's come to our analog electronics first. Analog communication. So in analog communication, again, your amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation, how to identify waves that you should do. Okay, amplitude modulation, all the types you will do, DSBSC, DSBFC. Okay, that is. Then your FM and PM bandwidth calculation you will do. Then your phase deviation problems, all the things you will do. Okay. Then in digital communication, again your digital system or digital communication, you have your carrier. Okay, ASK, FSK, PSK, digital communication system, that you will do. Then your DM, ADM, all those chapters will be there, all those topics will be there from digital communication. Okay. Also, along with this noise, if you want, you can do. Otherwise, you can skip this. Okay, you can skip this. Then random variable and process with probability. Okay, is required. Probability is not in your maths. Probability is required for communication. So you, by default, you need to do probability. Okay, you should not. Obviously, engineering mathematics is not for us, EC branch, but still probability we need to do, because definitely sure shot always they will have the question for your communication, right? Now from which source what you can use? So analog communication you can refer GATE and ISRO both. Practice both the questions. Okay. Then digital communication, GATE papers enough, and random variable process also GATE enough. No need to worry. Okay. No need to this see your ISRO previous year paper. So this is your communication. From communication, approximately 8 to 10 question you can expect in your BRC. Okay. Next important subject is signals and systems. So signals and system, what we have, basics of signal system, all the parameters, all the properties, all the things you know already. Okay, that are there basics. So from this they can ask any question. Convolution. Okay, what is the this signal properties? What is the system properties? Okay, then they will give you any signal to the system and they will ask you to find the output of the system. So any question they can give. Okay, whether the system is static or dynamic, everything. So from here, 1 to 2 questions you can expect. That's why this topic is very, very important. The most important topic and tough topic I can say for BRC exam is Fourier transform. So in exam hall, definitely question will be there for sure. Okay, but it is not guaranteed that you can attempt that question or not. So this is the problem, right? So definitely this time, if they frame easy question in your shift, because there was 3 shift last time, this time also definitely 3 shift will be there. So it's up to it's depend on your luck. Okay, but it's not like you are getting first shift then it was easy. You are getting third shift, it was hard. Okay, it is not like that. BRC frame each means in each shift they frame good level of question. Okay, it is not like means they try to maintain it, and definitely they are successful in that to maintain the level of question in each of the shift. Okay, this is the thing we need to focus on. Next is your Z transform. So from Z transform, all the topics you will do. Laplace easy, definitely. I know that you can score here maximum marks. LTI system and properties, very important chapter for your BRC LTI. Okay, so all the things you need to do, that is what signal you are passing through this LTI, whether it is exponential, sinusoidal, what output you are getting. LTI system properties, basics of LTI system. Okay, all the things you will do. Now resources. Okay, so basics of signals and system, GATE previous year enough. Okay, no need to refer ISRO paper. Fourier transform, GATE previous year plus ISRO. Okay, after doing this also there is no guarantee you will solve the question in your exam, but still from our side we will try our best. Okay, to crack it. That's why Z transform again GATE plus ISRO. Laplace, GATE enough, no need to worry about ISRO, because obviously Laplace is easy chapter. Okay, if you feel Laplace difficult, then you can go for ISRO, but I don't think anyone is there who can say Laplace is difficult, because every time we apply Laplace in network also we apply Laplace. Okay, in control also we apply Laplace. Everywhere we are applying Laplace from engineering. Okay, so that's why I think you are comfortable with Laplace transform, so no need to worry for extra practice, right? And LTI system again, GATE 1 mark and 2 mark, and ISRO also. Okay, so this you will do from signal system. What are the questions you can expect for this year? So 6 to 8. Okay, 6 to 8 question. Okay, next is EMT. So for one of the shape, means last time lots of question they asked for EMT. Okay, approximately I can say 13-14 question. This time also EMT will have weightage, so I will consider 10 to 12 questions from EMT. What we need to do first, transmission line, easy chapter, you can do quickly. Okay, all the formulas, parameters are there. Standing wave ratio questions, definitely they will ask you this, but you will not attempt your exam definitely, and that I will discuss in your mentorship program, that which question to attempt and which to not. Okay, everything in detail we will discuss, no need to worry about that. Antenna, you need to do theory plus numericals, like your to find directive gain, aperture area, basic question, no need to worry about that. Okay, then you are this that pattern, what radiation pattern. Okay, they also ask this question, radiation pattern. Basics all the things are there. Electrostatics, magnetostatic also you need to do. Okay, they can ask the questions. So electron, magnetostatics, and basic thing, vector, that is vector analysis also there. So three chapters from basics. Then waveguide, confirm question from rectangular or circular. Okay, phase frequency, frequency, cutoff frequency, they can ask you. Short question they will ask you. Radar, chances are less, but still I will suggest you to just do at least radar equation. Okay, just remember that radar equation, that's enough, no need to take a headache for that. Because this time, see, in 2022, why our strategy is different, because we will not take any headache here. Okay, we will smoothly do our preparation and we will go to the exam and we will crack it. This is the strategy. Okay, just wait for the video till the end, you will get to know. So gate and ISRO, what you will do, so from gate I want you to practice transmission line. Okay, then your basics, then your waveguide. And from ISRO, just practice your antenna part and radar question you will get from ISRO, no need to worry about it. Okay, so this, like this you can do for your EMT. Network theory, weightage is decreasing, okay, year by year, definitely of network theory, that I am saying. Or this time also I can expect 5 to 6 questions. I don't know why they are decreasing the weightage. If I see from 2015, then a good weightage was there for network theory in 15, 16, 17, 18. But now they definitely weightage is decreased. Okay. Again, network theory, what you can do, basics, all the basic thing, KVL, KCL, definitely they will also not, they will not ask this question for you. But still, if you are lucky, then you can do. Okay. Transient, compulsory question, but for in the last time for one shift, they didn't ask transient. Also, and two pod also, they didn't ask these two. Okay, for my shift only. Whatever paper I attempted, means I go that 25th of September 2021. That video I uploaded on YouTube. So there I didn't see transient and two-port network. See, means the most important topic from network theory they didn't give you. So this is the BRC paper. Okay, you can never predict it. Just you can prepare for it. Okay. Then AC analysis, definitely lots of question last time and this time also you can expect from this, because complex calculation. They want to check whether you can do or not. Okay. And here all the tricks we will apply, that whether to apply such kind of questions or not in your exam hall, right? So network theory, that's it, you can do. Also graph theory, okay, which is not mentioned here, but still I will suggest you to do, because last time question was there, one question was there actually. So just what is cut set matrix, how to find cut set from tree, how to find tie set, okay. Then your KVL equations, KCL equations, these three topics you can do. Definitely they will ask question from cut set, tie set. If you are lucky, then they will ask question like what are the number of trees from given graph. Okay, if you are lucky. But if you not, definitely from this they will ask question. Otherwise they will not ask at all, right? So from which source you can do now? See, GATE and ISRO again. So basics, GATE 1 and 2 marks enough. Okay, I don't recommend to ISRO, but still if you want you can do ISRO also. So just do ISRO also. Transient, GATE, then two-port network, GATE, AC analysis, GATE plus ISRO. Whatever you can do for AC analysis, just do that, practice. Okay, the more you practice, the more you will get comfortable. The more you get comfortable, the more you get confidence. All the things are proportional to each other. Okay, that's why ISRO and GATE, yes, we will do from that, right? And graph theory, again, graph theory is GATE. That is before 2015 paper, right? 15 or 16. Okay, then control system. From control system also you can expect 6 to 8 questions. Again, the weightage decrease year by year of control systems. So now if I see the paper of BRC, they are more focusing on your core part. Okay, definitely this from this you are getting the question, but not that much. That is 12, 15 question. From core, they are interested in core now. and they want to check in your core subjects, what are you are doing in core subjects, right? So basics, block diagram prediction plus signal flow graph, frequency response analysis, steady state transient response. This is the syllabus, okay? And definitely our chapters are there, like your root locus, roots array, and state variable model equation. So all the questions you can expect from control system. I will not suggest any do a thing. Just do everything in control system. Okay. Any question they can frame here. Because last time also in one of the my shift, that is 25th of September, I didn't find the question of block diagram and signal flow graph. See, every year this question was there, but last time for one shift. For other shift definitely question was there, but for one shift it is not there. Okay. Then frequency response analysis, that you have Bode plot, Nyquist, polar plot, sure short question. Okay, if they ask polar, then they will not ask Bode and Nyquist, because last time in my sheet polar they asked, simple. Okay, but compulsory preparation of 3 is required, mandatory, right? Then steady state and transient response analysis, definitely easy chapter, no need to worry about that. Root locus, okay, then roots array and state variable model and equation. From this also they frame basic questions, so you should have basic knowledge. What is matrix A, what is matrix B, what is matrix C? Okay, from definition they ask the questions, and just means you can not imagine that how they are framing the question at very basic. So don't miss your basics, okay, if you are preparing for BRC, very much important, right? Now again we will come to our first part, that is what you can do and what you cannot. So basics from gate, your block diagram reduction signal flow from gate, frequency response analysis, I will suggest gate plus ISRO, how to find steady state error, how to find your bandwidth, okay, and that formula questions I can say. So that require practice, that's why the more you practice, the definitely you will get advantage. Steady state transient response also you can do here. Okay, root locus, gate plus ISRO, solve variety of questions. Routes array, gate only. State variable model equation, gate plus ISRO. Okay, that you will do. Then measurement and instrumentation. Okay, so if I see BRC from 15 to 17, there was not much weightage to this. Okay, just 1 to 2 questions. But 15 to 19, weightage is suddenly increased exponentially. Okay, 20 also. In 21, it is decreased now little, but we need to do compulsory, because without measurement and instrumentation, you cannot crack BRC, and this is the statement I am making you. Okay, so definitely you need to do this subject compulsory. No option, no option, so shortcut in that. So this time also you can expect 6 to 8 questions from this. Also it may go higher. Okay, depends on them. And what topics is required now? So error analysis. Okay, your CRO part is there. Frequency calculation from CRO part. Then PMC, MI, dynamometer, extension, voltmeter extension, ammeter extension. Okay, then how you can take the reading after extension. What the very good question they actually frame for PMC last time. Actually it was easy, but to understand it, it required time. Okay. DC potentiometer, bridges for measurement of RLC, Q meter, measurement of voltage, current, power, device. What are the bridges we use for all these measurements? True RMS meter, voltage and current scaling. Okay, then transformers, timer, counter. Transformer also they gave frame good question. Okay, last time. Timer, counter, time phase and frequency measurement, data voltmeter, data multimeter, oscilloscope. Okay, shielding grounding. So forget the shielding grounding, no required. Data multimeter, compulsory, extension also, oscilloscope also you will do. Okay. So for measurement, all the already I upload the notes in our group, that is BRC WhatsApp group. If you are not the part of that group, in the comment section you will get the link. Okay, if you are serious for BRC, then only join, otherwise no need to join the group. Okay, so from measurement, definitely little, you can say little effort is required, because to practice question you are required electrical and instrumentation gate previous year papers. Okay, this is required, so you need to practice from this to get hands on measurement, and also refer our notes for your theory part and preparation. Okay, devices also now the weightage for this is increased, as well as level of devices questions also they are increasing. Okay, because you know BRC is I can say expert in this EDC, so that's why you can expect such type of questions from them. Semiconductor theory, maximum weightage is for semiconductor theory. Okay, then your PN junction, BJT, FET, MOSFET. Now see, you will ask me whether to do FET or not, so do FET, because they can ask question. just have basic idea that how FET works, how carriers are moving, okay, from where, how current is moving, everything we do for BJT and MOSFET. Same thing you will do, okay. Then your LED laser solar cell, all the things you will do here also. And diode. So in diode, what we have? Tunnel, Schottky, and your Zener diode. So important. So if there is Zener down, then Zener breakdown, avalanche breakdown. Okay, then Zener as a voltage regulator and analysis point of view. All the things you will do, right? So for EDC, only gate previous year is enough. No need to refer ISRO here. Okay, and this year also 6 to 8 questions you can expect from EDC paper. Okay. For this diode tunnel and okay, this theory part you will do. No need to worry here. Okay, yeah. So for BJT MOSFET also theory part you will do. PN junction also you will do. Yes. So gate previous year enough. No need to think of any more about this. Then next is COA. Okay, so 2 to 3 questions you can expect from computer organization and architecture also. Addressing mode, most important sure shot question out of 3. Okay, then your instruction pipelining, sure shot question out of 3. So 2 questions I already give you. 1 question they can ask anything, machine instruction, ALU, data part, control unit. Okay, anything they can ask. But these 2 you need to do compulsory. And last time from our Nilate mini test, they asked the question in BRC. So I'm happy that I framed the question and they asked. Okay, so that's good for you. Yeah, C programming and VHDL is there. Okay, basics is required. That is, if you know basic C programming, then you can do. Okay, basic programming they will ask you, and for VHDL also they will ask the questions. But definitely I will say to skip it. You can't, because VHDL is very big subject and definitely it will require little time, right? Then computer network. So in computer network, what you need to study again? 2 to 3 questions. What you need to study? Basics of networking, OSI model, and whatever layers are there, 7 layers are there in OSI. Okay, each your device is working on layer. Then what are the protocols working on that? Then concept of congestion, then concept of your segmentation. Okay, networking concept, network layer concept, all the things you need to do in detail. TCP model is there. Then IP addressing, IPv4, IPv6. Okay, then your subnetting concept is there. Then CSMACD and CA. I just wrote separately for condition. Okay, so that you can do. Definitely for this you can use Foruzon Westbook. No need to worry because all the concept you will get from here. Okay. Otherwise, if you have any notes, handwritten notes, definitely you will get from computer science. So CAC, computer network, handwritten notes you will get. You can refer that. Okay, no need to worry about that. Now we will start our strategy of 2022 BRC paper. Okay. So back in 2014-15, I remember when I attempted first paper of BRC. Then at that time only one institute was there, okay, that providing test series. I just enrolled for that because I obviously no one knows about BRC. Okay, on today also in 2022 also, our channel have most authentic video of BRC and I am proud to say it. Okay, if you compare with big channels, then obviously for if there is BRC name, then definitely you will get name of Nikum sir there. Okay, because this is because of authenticity. Okay, so test series, in that test series what I found at that time, get previous year copy paste question. Okay, then rubbish questions, all the rubbish question means easy question and obviously they will not have any sense there, and mistakes, lots of mistakes. So because of this definitely anyone can demotivate. Okay, so now first time in online world, or I can say online, we are launching BRC EC test series. Okay, so test series will be there because it is important now, because what I want, your practice, okay, in that real time definitely is required now because pattern is changed. So definitely you need to prepare very hard for that, right? So test series will be there. Definitely whatever I told you, topic wise, subject wise, that thing you need to do compulsory by yourself. Okay, here I will not include gate previous year, your ISRO previous year, बिल्कुल नहीं, I will not include. Okay, next thing, as per our now 2022 strategy, what I will do here, see, as I told you, every year in the strategy I told, out of 100, 50, 55 you can do, out of 100 if 47 you do, you can make it. Okay, so I want you should you should develop this ability to identify the questions in exam hall, that you are doing this much question and you are confident that I will get it. Okay, so that thing I want to develop from our test series, and for that what we will do, whatever things I told you, okay, that remains same, but you will not study C programming VHDL, you will skip it. Okay, you will not study computer network, you will skip it. Okay, see, this is 2022 strategy, so that's why I'm telling you this thing. And rest of the topics, all the topics you will do. Okay, all the topics you will do. And from that topic, whatever my last 7 9 years, okay, experience is there and analysis is there, I will put here and I will frame those 300 dangerous question for BRC. From that, I will try that from this you will get your 50 to 60 concept which is required to crack BRC. Okay, this is my task and this is I'm thinking for your test series right now. Okay, so like this I'm doing. See, now suppose I added here C programming and your C computer network questions. Okay, suppose 9 questions I added. So out of 3 questions, 300, because this time 3 tests I'm planning. Okay, that's why 300 questions. So out of this 300, only 9 questions gone. Okay, and obviously in exam there are less chances that you will attempt this question. Obviously, it is not your other exam of NILET, your HL, where I can put all the syllabus because of competition. This is BRC. Whatever is necessary, I will put here. Okay, no rubbish thing, nothing. Get previous also no go, because that you will do practice by yourself. Okay, and how you will do practice, I will tell you later. But our test series will be like this. Okay, in March you will get the update that when what is the schedule of test series, when each test is live. Okay, and what are the program means what are the plans are there, all the things you will get. So I hope now all the students are happy this time, because since from 2020 you want test series for BRCEC and now in 2022 we have. Okay, so definitely just wait for that. But before that, your preparation is important. Okay, whatever I told you, that is important. Just it is not like you will get this test series 300 question you will solve and you will crack. No, the prerequisite I told you, GATE, ISRO, topic wise, okay, subject wise, this is prerequisite, and then your test series. Okay, then definitely no one can stop you to crack this exam, right? Next, separate batch will be there for you in our application, where through videos I will guide you what to do now. Okay, 15 days left, 5 days left, all those things are important. Okay, the meaning of mentor is that only, that he will guide you between the periods. Okay, like that what you should do before exam, what you should do in a week of exam, all those things you should know. Okay, so in our batch, definitely I will guide you, and definitely our batch and your group will be there. Okay, so to discuss the doubts and everything, right? So this we will do for your online examination. So after your online exam, definitely chances are high that you will crack. See, I am not here to make you guaranteed you will crack BIRC. Okay, like those big companies, I am not here. If my job is to maximize your chances of selection. Okay, and that is all about your Apna Government Job channel. Only aim is to maximize your chance of selection, and for that, whatever I can do from my side, I will do, and for whatever you should do from your side, I will tell you. Okay, that is what is required. All the things I will tell you. That is the thing. Okay, for interview, definitely our personalized call will be there, and from that I will get to know what is your strength, weakness, and everything. And then your technical subject, as you already know, I hope, and those who don't know, total 5 subject, technical subject 4 to 5, but still for safer side we will do 5 subjects you need to choose for BRC. Okay, then we will discuss that which 5 subject you can choose according to you. Okay, what parameter you should choose, that is most important. So last time also Bharat got selection, this time he is in training. Okay, so definitely podcast we will do in August and September month, and definitely till then this result also come 2022, and I'm hoping that 20 podcast I will do on our channel with you guys. Okay, those who are watching video right now. So this is my target with you. Then our mock interview will be there. After mock interview, I will just suggest you that what approach is required for BRC, how you can approach the BRC interview. Okay, and like that we will do, like we will do, and definitely it will improve you. Sure, right? So this is my whole plan for your BRC mentorship program. But for that, definitely preparation, you need to prepare hard, and definitely we will do. Okay, obviously we are engineers, we can do anything, and it is not like see. Okay, last video I hope that you saw that myths about BRC. So just whatever you have regarding BRC, that BRC interview is very tough and everything, nothing. In that video also I told. Okay, it is not like that. It's up to you that how you can handle things or not, right? See, so about test series and everything I told you. Okay, about exam hall strategy, this type of videos you will get in your application. About interview, I told what are the plans we have, right, for 2022. Now, the main thing I want you to start after watching this strategy video is this: continuous practice with calculator. Okay, in the start only, what I told you, now BRC exam is all about your calculation. So you need to work on this. Okay. I am also planning to conduct speed maths sessions for you guys, that how you can apply that speed maths in your technical problem solving, and you can fast means you can solve the questions quickly. Okay, this is also I am planning. So whatever thing, whatever I can do, I will do from my side. Okay, no one can stop me obviously, but this is mandatory for you to do that. From now you are solving gate, ISRO, whatever you are solving. Okay, download your gate calculator, gate scientific calculator, because in BRC exam also calculator is there. Okay, and with that calculator you should practice more problems, more number of questions only with calculator. Okay, whenever it is possible, use your hand, have confidence on yourself. Okay, you are writing BRC exam means you did something in your life, that's why you are writing. Okay, you have 60% aggregate. This is also big thing, because many of the student does not have 60% aggregate also. Okay, so have you confidence, definitely you passed engineer, you are engineer now. Okay, lots of engineers are there, with confidence only they achieve lots of things in their life. Okay, that's why have confidence and use whatever calculation you can do with your hand, with your paper notes, with your mind, just do that. Okay, and from now you will practice like that, and the same thing you will implement in exam. What happens, see what happened, because this mistake I also did. Okay, I am not a super scientist on everything, I also did the same mistake. So whatever mistake I did, I will tell you, because I don't want that the same mistake should be done by you. Simple, right? So what happens, we here in your home you will practice, okay, like that, but in exam hall, because of pressure, you will use calculator, because you feel, no, if it is wrong then I will get negative marking, right? This is the pressure of negative marking. So those who follow me for every exam, whenever there is no negative marking, my statement is 30% pressure will get reduced because of negative marking. Okay, so like this the things are there. Okay, obviously we are human, so no need to worry about that, but still I will recommend you to practice with calculator compulsory. Okay, spend good amount of time with calculator, at least 3 to 4 hour in start, and then after that whatever you can do. Okay, I want this from you, just get used to calculator. I hope you know the functions. If you know, definitely on YouTube you will get how to use calculator. Just search and you will get everything. Okay, no need to worry about that. So just watch that video and you can get about your calculator, that what are the functions are there and everything. Okay, because calculator is now must for BRC, and definitely we will try to reduce the calculator part, because it will consume little time. Okay, but at particular point of time it is required, then we will use. Okay, obviously there is no option in that. Okay, the last motivation word for you guys, see, this is group A position. Definitely we will do everything from our side. My target is simple, total 20 selection, whatever vacancy of war is say, total I want to, total all the cards I want, like this, all the 20 cards in front of my eyes, right? If you, whatever you saw in the start of the video, that I want this year. Your target to get group A government job, and definitely you can enjoy then, okay, your life. But definitely journey will be difficult, it is not like easy. Okay, but to make it easy, to make it simple, I am with you always from 20 or always. Okay, till BRC will take exam, I will there, that is sure. Okay, so our target is simple, our aim is simple, so we will do whatever is necessary. I told you in this strategy video, definitely it is now 50 minutes, 45 minutes, so definitely it is increased. So but still, this 45 minutes you are investment in your investment in your preparation. Okay, that's why don't think it is like a time pass video, obviously it is not, right? So whatever doubt and query you have, definitely you can comment down below. Last words for you, if you didn't get in selection in interview, no need to worry. Okay, because if you are cracking exam, this is also big achievement. And definitely if you are cracking BRC exam, then you can crack any of the exam, whether it is PSU or central government, any, okay, any exam you can crack. I can say you can get good rank in gate also in 2023. Okay, but we will not focus on gate, but or see, my aim is to give you job, so that your earning will get start simple. Okay, with get, obviously you will get PSU. There are also means I don't like this gate procedure, frankly. Okay, because that's why I don't touch this part. I just focus on this part where I will get, we will get quickly job. Okay, like that, because that is the target. Obviously we want to start earning. Okay, so just focus on everything, what is the process, wait for our program, and definitely you will get anything, everything in that, right? We will force them to select you. in the interview. Okay, we will force them with your concept definitely. So for that, lots of time now you should put in your technical subject. Just give your 3 to 4 months to only technical part, and definitely you can see the result. And after 3 to 4 months, you will thank yourself before me. Okay, then after that, obviously you will thank me. That is for sure. That is mandatory, right? So yes, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, just start now. All the plan and strategy is there. Okay, we will stick to this only, and let's see what life takes us. Okay, so all the best and do well.